So before I became a YouTuber, I talked about creating my own YouTube channel for a long time, years actually. And it was more or less in January 2019. That's when I really count the start of my YouTube journey, because that was when I was purposeful with my videos and purposeful with my YouTube channel. But there were a lot of years prior when I had talked about it with my friends, with my family, that I wanted to create a YouTube channel. I even filmed some videos, edited some videos, but never put them on my YouTube channel. So I was actually going back on my hard drive. I was looking through some of my old videos and I came across an old video of me and my friend Earth. Yes, his name is Earth. We did a spicy ramen challenge, and this video was filmed mid-year 2016, but there were even a lot more years prior to that when I had talked about wanting to become a YouTuber and to create a channel, but never did anything about it. And I intended to publish this video as one of my first videos when I started my YouTube channel, but I filmed it, I edited it, but then I just let it sit there and did nothing with it. And I wanted to publish this video now because number one, it brings back a lot of good memories. Number two, it's entertaining. And number three, it's just a good reminder that sometimes we're in our own heads. So if you're thinking about starting your YouTube channel, I say go for it. And number four, you can see Blonde Vince. With that being said, let's get into it.
I mean, how spicy can this ramen be, right?
I don't know, it isn't
like,
how
they're selling it to people.
To Koreans.
I'm pretty sure we can do it. Yeah.
Like if it was like super deadly, why would people buy it?
Yeah.
Right? Or maybe just because it's spicy.
That'd be easy. Not a challenge. Come
It's
on.
not a challenge, just another meal.
Come on. Should we pick up milk?
Milk?
Nah. You don't need milk.
Alright, you're...
Milk are for babies.
Milk are for babies.
Milk are for babies.
Alright, I'll have milk and then I won't let you have any.
No, you don't have milk. We
You're gonna
only
be
get
begging me
water.
for that
We only
milk.
get water.
You're gonna be big.
Alright. We are here at H Mart about to buy some ramen. Not just any ordinary ramen, because today we are doing the spicy ramen challenge.
Spicy ramen challenge.
Yeah, your boy and your boy doing the spicy ramen challenge.
Yeah. Okay.
Ooh, we found it.
Okay.
We are back. Now we're about to cook some of these noodles. Gotta boil them in water first. Yes. So we're gonna do a little bit differently. We're gonna put 6 packets in one bowl. In one bowl.
Okay, wait. Ready, go.
It's already
Say
recording.
it in one, say put it in one bowl and then I'll put the bowl.
In one bowl.
See?
That was lame. Boiling water. Very, very exciting. Let's do a little bit unboxing here. So, yes. Let's see what's inside. Can you open one up, please? Open it up. Woo!
Just kidding. I haven't put the packets in yet.
All right, let's see what's inside.
This is probably what makes
The
it
money.
spicy. This right here.
No, I think it's
Oh,
that.
wait, no, wait.
This is what makes it spicy.
Oh, that's just noodles.
Yeah.
Totally, it is probably this. Oh, there's chopsticks.
Yeah, look at that. Nice! Chopsticks. I learned this technique from France, actually.
Did you?
It makes the ramen a little bit faster. Gives it a little bit more texture to the,
Yeah, there you go.
yeah. And you gotta do it like this. It's not funny. It's
Technique. It's all about the technique.
Yeah. It's art. It's music. When you're cooking, you gotta listen to the noodles. You hear that?
What do the noodles say?
I don't know. I don't speak noodle.
Ooh!
Satan's blood.
Man, that doesn't look spicy at all! There's too many noodles. Look at that. It's too much noodles.
Man,
It's a waste.
it smells.
Is that just instant ramen? Which is a
Yeah.
whole bunch of spice? Is this exactly what the people on the video did?
We are the people on the video. How's it getting redder?
Look in the middle.
I smell it.
It actually smells good.
Ooh, right there. Look at all that sauce right there.
You need some.
Sriracha?
Yeah. Yeah.
I can smell it. I can smell the
Baby
spice.
ball of sriracha.
All of it.
Oh, hey!
Okay.
You know we're eating this, right? Not just me.
Wait. You said you're gonna eat most of it. Just kidding.
Oh my god.
There you go.
Yo.
We can try this without the sriracha.
I don't think the sriracha would do anything to it though. If it was that
I
spicy.
just don't like sriracha. I think sriracha just adds like a sour taste.
Alright. We are ready. Are you ready?
No.
Too bad. Oh. Easy.
Cheers. Wait, you eating so much. Just wanna.
No, come on. There you go.
Wait. Can you grab it in a bowl?
Just eat it.
Alright.
That is so sweet.
Yeah, it's like not really spicy.
No, it's spicy, dude. Oh.
I don't know. I thought you could handle spicy.
No, I can. Oh.
I don't think it's that bad.
You're not hurting at
It's not
all.
that bad. I'm sweating though.
You're not done yet.
Keep
eating.
You're not done yet.
The first bite's never too terrible.
Earth is dying.
No, I'm not. Dude, I'm just acting. I've been to acting
This is all for
school.
a video.
I was expecting more.
Me too.
Wait till they hit the end.
Yeah.
The cake.
Loki.
Maybe you wouldn't like mix it in right. And it's like in there somewhere, you know?
Where else can it be? I mean, I was expecting more actually. Oh, I thought your hair was noodles.
Okay, I'm sweating now. Okay, yeah, I'm sweating now. It's getting a little spicy.
You guys need milk. Maybe you should have bought the packaged one.
I think it gets worse as you eat it.
Well, keep eating it.
That's first.
Alright, let me do this.
It just looks like pasta.
I'm just trying to try to eat as fast as I can. Yeah, that's good spicy.
We're gonna eat as fast as we can. Yeah. Look at him.
Without I have water?
No. No.
Water inflames the spice.
This is not acting at all.
Turn off the fan.
Wait, turn off the fan.
Turn off the fan.
I'm sweating already.
Yeah. And this ain't nothing.
Yeah, dude.
nothing.
I feel like I ate more.
Who felt like I ate more? My stomach is a little...
Yeah. You're almost done.
You said you're almost done? We're almost done.
You're stalling.
Alright, God.
You see the sweat beads? Oh.
Shaking.
Okay.
I thought you after that.
What is it recording?
Yeah, I think it's way worse. I think this is a bad idea.
Oh, a real good idea. Wait, don't feel good.
Alright, I'm gonna.
You can
It's
see
like
the
really hot,
sweat
like-
seeping through Vince's shirt. Should have worn black.
Like,
This is real, uncut.
like they're real. Like the.
Panting.
I'm not trying to talk right now.
Like the temperature is hot. I don't know what I'm trying to say.
Here. That's your half.
Like I can't even put it in my mouth because
I think the sriracha made it worse. Made that sauce like thicker. I'm gonna drink
wait,
water.
I was really gonna shake it. Here we go, we go.
You gotta finish the rest of that.
Oh. I know.
Woo! Ooh.
Where you going?
I need water right here.
No.
What?
Wait 1 minute.
Wait 1 minute.
Do you have any advice for your viewers?
Dude, we have no viewers. No one's gonna watch it.
It's only our friends. So thanks for watching. Advice: you gotta put
more, cause this shit ain't spicy.
Ain't spicy at all.
At all.
It's not spicy. We're just faking it the whole time.
This? It's cause we have an AC leak. That's why it's like
Yeah.
dripping on us.
Yep.
But ain't nothing.
It's pretty easy actually.
Yeah. Okay.
You can't be like it's easy. And like you gotta like hold it in. Like it's easy.
It's easy.
Yeah. It's... it honestly feels like I'm about to pass out right now. Like I don't know if I'm crying or if I'm just sweating.
That's hot.
Try not to do like. It's like. Okay, I'm gonna get some water.
Okay. Me too.
Oh, I threw that in there. Whew. Wait, I totally did.
Waiting for you.
Oh. I went from like hot to cold real quick. Ooh.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Look how, oh, sorry.
Good job, guys.
Look how red your lips are. Oh, look at this.
Left
Oh.
your phone in the microwave.
Ooh.
Kylie Jenner lips. Don't spend your money on lip gloss. Lipstick. Eat this.